I don't like to work on these days, y'all. I don't like to work in this drizzle. It's cold, it's damp, it's drizzly. Don't like it. Y'all, this is Azalea. You're watching WayCrunchy, my YouTube channel, the This Old Shack series. Today is the day that we are sealing up the hole in the children's bedroom. A few of these little things that we have to do before final inspection. Y'all, it's rainy. It is freaking rainy outside. Look at this. Look how gray it is out there. Everything is wet. Everything is gray. I don't do well on rainy days, the mist, ugh. So y'all saw me this week, I got this kid's room a little bit straight so that, you know, they could play in it cleanly and safely and whatnot. And the last thing we actually have to do in here is seal up that hole. And then, you know, I'll paint it or whatever. I got a few more, like we got to carry that old sink out of here. I couldn't do that, but it's savvy. So the thing is originally the way this children's room is it's framed out, and then it has the lathe boards and then plaster on top of that, and then a couple layers of wallpaper on top of that, and then wood paneling that I painted green. I love painted wood paneling. Actually looks good. That's definitely what I think people should do with their wood paneling. Anyway, so it's like weird depths. So I'm like, do we just put drywall on that hole? Or do we need to put wood under the drywall? Like, I don't want it to be all sunk in lower than the rest of the wall. John, you know, he works during the week, so he's kind of getting his eyeballs on it, figuring for a minute. I've been thinking on it this week. One more thing, but we're ticking off these final list items.
Just to even it out, and then put plywood as a backing for drywall.
You want plywood all across it, or just on the deep side? Maybe if we just do drywall on the deep side, then if we just do plywood on the deep side to bring it up a little bit, then the drywall will lay relatively flat.
I don't know if we could do plywood here and then just, I don't know if we're going to be able to work that out, because it's going to be gradual change.
It is a gradual change.
Pull this taut on that side.
Maybe a little more this way than sure half an inch. gonna work. I think that's gonna work.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can just do a same little cut over here.
Yeah. Let's measure it while we got it standing here.
We can just do the same thing with the angles, do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, take the pencil. Why don't you just mark a little point on the drywall? And then I guess to here. I think we could cut this while it's up here.
Yeah.
You got it, right?
Mm-hmm. You know I can judge. There we go. Y'all know it's really brightening up this rainy day. Taco Bell!
I really gotta figure out how I'm gonna watch the baseball postseason.
Oh, yeah? Well, we had our lunch and that was delicious. I love Taco Bell so much. It tasted so good that I knew I was going to be sad when I was done eating because it would be gone and over. Now we're back to finish this. I don't like to work on these days, y'all. I don't like to work in this drizzle. It's cold, it's damp, it's drizzly. Don't like it.
We might have to cut these back.
Why don't we just...
Maybe we won't. Because we need... Well, we probably should.
I don't know.
Because we gotta get it on the wood.
Those things are made of wood.
I know they're made of wood. It is wood. But we can't screw it into these and then screw it into wood that's a 1/4 inch lower.
Got a lot going on there. See, in our wall, all the layers. Alright, y'all. It has been the whole work week since I started filming this video. We filmed last weekend when it was so rainy, trying to fix this hole in the wall. Did we fix the hole in the wall? No, not yet. Okay, I'm just going to file this video under Lord have mercy, please. Lord have mercy, please. So, all this week, we didn't really get anything done. I've just been catching up at the house and taking care at the rental, catching up with housework and cooking and taking care of the kids. And I haven't been over to do work. On Monday we were supposed to have the electrician do an estimate and walk through, a new electrician, because our old electrician is a missing person. Well, you know, it rained all weekend because of Hurricane Ian. We also had a really strong wind, and there was a lot of trees down and damage to houses and property around here. Nothing hurricane strength at all. This was definitely just remnants of Hurricane Ian. But the electricians were backed up doing kind of emergency necessary work around town, fixing up after the storm. So they didn't get over here until today, which is Friday. Like 5-6 days since I last filmed on this video. And John got over here one day and finished making some risers for the post. So I think at this point, John just needs to hold some things up, screw some things down, or nail some things down. And then, you know, this actually came a long way. It's just not totally finished. This came a long way. This is going to get finished up. This is not a problem in our lives. But y'all, this electricity is a problem. So our old electrician, you know, because we paid him to do the job and do it properly, and he was a good guy and everything, he was gonna, you know, come back and like finish this project for like $100, $200. $100 or $200. His hourly rate is $25 an hour. Okay, well, the electrician I had over here today, they're a flat rate company. So for straight jobs, they just give you flat rate. Like, it'll cost this much for me to install this fixture. Now, as I walked him through our checklist of problems that need to be fixed in this house, half of them fell under diagnostic. So it starts as $72 fee for something diagnostic, and then an hourly and materials rate. So we got problems in the basement. He's going to have to figure out diagnostics. We got a problem with the light under the stairs. He's going to have to figure that out, diagnostics. Our outlets in me and John's bedroom, all of the outlets in me and John's bedroom, he's going to have to figure that out. Guess what he is hourly? It's not $25. $350 an hour. $350 an hour for those 3 projects, plus materials. Okay, now, the other 3 things. I have 2 light fixtures hanging off the wall that just were never fully installed. And then I have one that needs to be cut into the drywall and hung, you know, from scratch. To do all that, to get those 3 light fixtures in, $828, okay? $828. Well, one good news is when he started looking at one of them downstairs in the living room that was hanging off the ceiling, and I looked at what he was doing, and I realized I can do that. I can do that one. I can do the living room one. I don't need anything but some nuts. And that's $276 that I think I can probably fix in 10 minutes. So yes, I can do that $276 job my own self. I can do that one. The vanity in the bathroom, maybe I get my dad over to look at that. I've seen him put in 1 million light fixtures, ceiling fans, that kind of stuff. Maybe we can do that one. That's another $276. Maybe. See, we can't finish putting up the drywall until we get the electricity fixed. So the project is at a halt until we get the electricity fixed. Like, all our plumbing is in, you know, all the big construction is done. We just have to put up walls, put in heat, and fix this electricity. Now, I can get over here and paint little things, this and that. I can be moving the barn into this house, you know, moving our stuff in. There are things I can be doing. But in the broad sense, the project cannot move forward until I find a way to finish this electricity. We cannot move in until I find a way to finish this electricity. And we are $350 an hour for 3 diagnostic problems. We're not spending thousands more on this electricity. I'll tell you that right now, we are not. Maybe we are going to end up having to do that. At least I can go downstairs and fix that one light fixture. Y'all pray for me. Pray for this project. Send me good vibes, positive feelings, well wishes. I'm gonna holler at y'all next time. I'm tired. I decided to hop back on here to talk to y'all real quick because so many of you are so kind and supportive and have been following this channel for years and this project for the last year. How can you help? This is how you can help for absolutely free. This is a monetized YouTube channel. Turn on notifications for my videos. Let all of my videos run all the way to the end. It helps with their ranking. Comment on every video. Share the channel. Share the videos. That is how you can help for absolutely free. Secondly, if you have ever considered becoming a patron over on Patreon, then that would be very helpful also for the business and income. So Patreon, I have been with for years. It is a very trustworthy website. I've never had an issue with it for years. None of my followers have ever had an issue with it in the time that I've been on there. So over there, I upload videos just like I do on YouTube. They're videos that you can only see if you're a patron, and I've been doing it for years. So once you become a patron, you get access to years of a library of videos, little blogs, extra photos that you can only see if you're a patron. That starts at $5 a month. It's kind of like a magazine subscription. Consider patronage over on Patreon. All of the links are in the description below this video. Y'all are the best community ever, and I cannot imagine doing this without the support that y'all pour out in the P.O. box and in the comments on these videos. I appreciate you guys. Bye, y'all.